Hello, kid. Well, over here we see a beautiful house. Do you know what is this? Well, this is the habitat of this little girl. So, what is habitat? Habitat is a place where someone lives. So, her habitat is this. But where is his or his? Do you know? Let's find out. Well, all of these animals also have the particular habitat. So, where do they live? Let's see. So, here we saw that we live on land. So, we have got houses in which we live. So, our habitat is this. We live on land. But do you think we are the only ones who live on land? Some animals love to live on land, just like you and me. They just hate climbing trees. So, here we see these animals who love to live on land. Now, who are these animals? Do you want to know? Well, they are fox, dog, lion and bear. There you go. So, these are some of the animals who love to live on land, just like us. An animal who loves to live on land is known as a terrestrial animal, and you must know them all. So, these are some of the terrestrial animals like rhinoceros, cow, panda and lion. So, these are the animals who live on land and they are known as terrestrial animals. What is this? Well, this is a tree. It is huge and shady. So, trees serve as habitat to many animals. Oh, hello, Mr. Monkey. I am the biggest animal here, you see. So, on the tree, we found out the monkey. So, this is the monkey's habitat. And he is the biggest animal which lives on the tree. There are many birds who live on the tree, along with squirrel and koala maybe. So, here we saw along with the squirrel and koala, there are also different birds who live on the tree. They all live like one big family. They are known as arboreals, you see. So, here we saw that on trees, there are animals like monkey, squirrel, koala and the birds. And all of them are known as the arboreals. Oh, the land is so crowded. We need to get a hole. Maybe it's underground if that is our goal. So, some of the animals were very clever. They thought they will make a hole and they will go underground to find out their habitat. Who are these clever animals? Do you want to know? Well, they are rat, snake and mole. So, these are the clever animals who dig a hole and they stay inside that. And this hole is known as a burrow. And these animals are known as the burrowing animals because they dig a hole and they stay inside that. So, I have a question for you. Which animal lives in a hole under the ground? Is it option 1, elephant, or option 2, bird, or option 3, snake? Let me tell you. Elephant is a terrestrial animal. It lives on the land. So, this is a wrong option. Bird lives on the tree. So, it is an arboreal. So, this is also a wrong option. So, the correct option is the snake. Snake digs a hole and it lives inside that. So, this is the right option. Water is the life of many. Habitat for them is water only. They love to stay in water only. They are fish mainly. Here we see that water is habitat for fish. So, not only fish, there are some animals as well like the turtle which live inside water all the time. And these animals are known as aquatic animals. I love to swim, but I'm scared of water. So I live by the rim. So there are some animals who love water as well as land. They live on land and in water. They are lucky and that's what matters. So I'm talking about the amphibians. These are the animals who live both on land and in water. Who are these animals? Do you want to know? Well, they are crocodile, tortoise and frog if I say so. So, these are the animals which live both on land and in water. Who are they? Crocodile, tortoise and frog. And all of these are known as amphibians. So, over here we see that sometime when they want to bathe, then they go in the water, but after that they come back on the land. So, they live both on land as well as in water. And the example is tortoise. So now, my dear kid, you know which are the different types of animals. Let's revise. First, we saw the animals who live on land. They are known as terrestrial animals. And example is zebra. Now, we saw there are some animals who live on trees. They are known as arboreals and the example is a bird. Now coming to underground, we saw there are some animals who live in burrow. So these are known as burrowing animals. An example is a snake. Then we saw there are some animals who can live inside water all the time. And these are the aquatic animals. Example, fish. And last but not the least, we have got the animals who live both on land and in water. These animals are known as amphibians. An example is a frog. So, just like we have our habitat land, all the other animals also have their habitat in which they live happily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.